Hi, I'm Lexter, a product specialist at CV Linens. Have you ever had a rectangular tablecloth with pointed corners that you were unsure how to style? The solution is a drape tie. Drape tying your rectangular tablecloth will keep those pesky corners away while giving you a tidy look. It's the perfect alternative to tucking your tablecloth corners, which can be easily undone during the course of an event. The drape tying method not only gives your table a clean and professional look, but it also keeps your linen cleaner as it's less likely to be stepped on by guests. After watching this simple tutorial, you'll definitely want to try this tie for your next event. Let's get started. Step 1. Place your tablecloth onto your table and ensure it's evenly draped. For a tidy appearance, you want there to be an even amount of fabric on all sides of the table. Step 2. Locate the center point on the right short end of your table. Lift the bottom of the tablecloth up and over the table from the center point. Step 3. Take the two corners of your tablecloth and tie them together on top of the table. Step 4. Once your corners are tied, take the fabric resting on the top of your table and drop it back down to the floor. Repeat the previous steps on the left end of your table and you're all set. With this hassle-free DIY, you can elevate your event like a pro. This tablecloth hack is especially handy for guest tables, buffet tables, cake tables, or any area that will receive a high amount of traffic during your event. We're sure that after trying this tablecloth tie, you'll never want to go without it again. A link to our full selection of tablecloths can be found in the description below, or visiting us online at cvlinens.com. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more event decorating tips. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.